for everyone selling on Etsy, especially those of you selling digital products, because my channel is dedicated to teaching you how to build a successful digital product business, and in my opinion, this is the best business model for the future. As you already know, we spend a lot of time focusing on creating high-quality digital products with great designs. But today, I want to tell you something that every Etsy seller needs to understand. 50% of your success on Etsy depends on optimizing your product's SEO. From writing the perfect title, crafting a compelling description, choosing the right keywords, and much more. Not just creating a beautiful design. A great design is absolutely part of your journey to success, but the bigger part is making sure your product actually reaches the right customer. That's exactly why I made this video, and honestly, it's one of the most important videos on my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize your Etsy SEO, write amazing product titles, descriptions, and keywords, and most importantly, how to discover keywords with high search volume and low competition so you can start generating sales much faster. In today's video, we're going to use the fantastic platform EHunt. I've covered this platform before and showed you many of its incredible features and tools. This time though, I'm going to focus specifically on the tools that will help us optimize the SEO of our Etsy products. By the way, you'll find the link to EHunt in the pinned comment and in the video description below. Be sure to click it if you'd like to get an exclusive discount. Once we open EHunt, choose Keywords Analysis. This will open a dashboard that analyzes any keyword you're researching and tells you whether it has strong search demand, low competition, and whether it's actually worth targeting. For example, if you type kids coloring book, the platform immediately analyzes that keyword. You'll notice that the competition is extremely high, and it's highlighted in red. You'll also see that the competition is much higher than the sales potential for that keyword, which is a strong warning sign that it may not be the best choice. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see a list of the countries that are most interested in purchasing products related to that keyword, ranked in order. Then, if you continue scrolling, you'll find a list of suggested keywords related to your search term. Even better, EHunt analyzes each keyword individually and provides detailed data for every single one. For example, the keyword cute coloring book appears in yellow, which means it has medium competition. Remember, we're looking for the keywords that appear in green because those represent low competition. If you scroll down even further, you'll find the keyword custom coloring book, and you'll notice that its competition is very low because it's highlighted in green. That means this is an excellent keyword to build a digital product around, and it's also a great keyword to include in your Etsy keyword list. However, you should always go to Etsy and search for every keyword individually to make sure there are products using that keyword that are actually making good sales. That way, you can verify the accuracy of the data yourself, even though this platform is already based on real data. As you can see, we always look for the keywords highlighted in green. Another example is wedding coloring book. In less than 2 minutes, we've already found 2 strong keyword opportunities that we can use to create new digital products. That's how simple keyword research becomes with EHunt. Now, if we go back and search for animals coloring book, you'll notice that this keyword has medium competition. That's exactly why I want you to analyze every keyword before adding it to your product's keyword list, and before you even decide whether it's worth designing that product in the first place. Now that we've chosen the right product to work on, and of course you've already learned on my channel how to design it professionally, there's one very important step left. We need to create an SEO-optimized title and description so your product can reach the right customers. If we go to the Etsy title and description generator tool, the process is incredibly simple. All you have to do is enter the keyword you've chosen for your product, or if you already have a short title idea in mind, you can enter that instead. For this example, I want to create an animals coloring book for kids, so I'll type that keyword into this box. Then select the additional keywords that are relevant to your book. Next, scroll down and click Generate Title. EHunt will immediately generate 3 different title options for you. These titles are fully optimized for Etsy SEO, and you'll notice that they're already well written and professionally structured from the very beginning. Just like that, we've completed one of the most important parts of the listing, creating a strong SEO-friendly title that gives your product a much better chance of being discovered. Now let's go back to the top and this time select the description generator. The process is just as easy. Scroll down, enter the title you've chosen, and then provide some details about your product. For example, how many pages does it have? Is it a black and white book or a full color book? Does it include a cover or not? Add any other important details about your product as well. And if you already have a product description that you'd like to improve so it's more SEO friendly, simply paste it into this box. Finally, click Generate Description, and within just a second, EHunt will generate 3 different SEO-optimized descriptions for your product. As I mentioned earlier, your title, description, and keywords all need to work together and follow SEO best practices so your product reaches the right audience and has a better chance of ranking on the first pages of Etsy search results. And that is absolutely one of the most important factors in helping you generate more sales consistently. But my friend, it doesn't stop there. If we move over to the Etsy Tag Generator tool so we can generate SEO-friendly keywords with low competition and high demand, the process is just as simple. All you need to do is enter your product title right here. In my case, I'll simply type Animals Coloring Book, then click Search. EHunt will automatically search for every keyword related to that title and analyze each one in detail for you. As always, focus on the keywords with low competition, the ones highlighted in green. You'll notice that the tool finds more than 130,000 related keywords. That means within just a few minutes, you'll have access to some of the best keyword opportunities available for your niche. Give this method a try. I'm confident you'll notice a huge difference in your Etsy sales once you start targeting the right keywords instead of guessing. And that's still not everything. There's also the Etsy Tag extension, which analyzes products directly while you're browsing Etsy. Let's install the extension and see how it works. Once you open Etsy, you'll notice that the extension automatically extracts all the keywords from the page you're viewing and analyzes them instantly. This means you can identify the best product opportunities in just a matter of seconds. And just like I mentioned before, the products you should pay the most attention to are the ones with low competition, highlighted in green. But we're not done yet. If you click on any individual product, the extension will immediately perform a complete analysis of that listing, exactly as you can see here. Honestly, I think this feature is amazing. This platform is packed with powerful tools that can make your Etsy journey so much easier. I'll leave a link to my other video where I covered many more of these incredible features and tools in detail. I really hope you found this video helpful. You'll find that video linked in the description and in the pinned comment below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.